What's up, YouTube? This your boy, Hellraiser_6.4. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Do it right now. It only takes 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Okay, thank you for subscribing. Hit that like button. Hit that sub button. Not the sub, hit the bell. Yeah, hit the sub too. But this topic is what you should not do when you go to the dealership, okay? What you should not do when you go to the dealership. I'm going to keep it sweet, and I'm going to keep it brief. I'm going to get straight to the point, you know what I'm saying? Number one, when you go to the dealership, do not let them run your credit. The car that you want, verify that that car is at the dealership. Like, this is the one I wanted. Well, I didn't even know. I'll get to me. You know what I'm saying? Verify the car that you want is at the lot. Get the VIN number. And get your credit union or your bank to pre-approve you on the car. You will save yourself lots of hard inquiries that will stay on your credit report for about 2 years. I made that mistake when I went to the dealership. I came with my Avenger. This was the color that I wanted. They had this, FA green, and smoke show. My buddy brought black. I wanted black, but he took it before me. You know what I'm saying? This car was fresh out the truck, only 3 miles. You know what I'm saying? I went to the dealership, you know what I'm saying? We talked some numbers and everything. This base price was $42,985. The only thing my Scat Pack got is navigation. Other than that, it's a base Scat. They don't have the plus package. They don't have the dynamics package. And they don't have the you know, the sunroof and all that other good stuff on there. Just base. You know what I'm saying? I got everything standard that they all got. And I got cloth seats, you know what I'm saying? But to the point, I went to the dealership. They ran my credit, all right? We got a 759 credit score. So we can go to the dealership. They gonna send your credit to every bank in the surrounding area, or every you know, friendly place that they have, right? They ran my shit. My phone started going on. Bling, 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 bling. I'm getting like 8 notifications. Hard inquiry reported. I got Experian. I got Credit Karma. I got Credit Wise. All of them started, you know, hitting me up. Yo, like different credit, Capital One. Everybody was on my shit. They finally told me you got approved for the car. You know what I'm saying? This is your APR. My APR is only what, 4.5% for 72 months. You know, I got a good deal. I ain't want to do 60 months because that shit was gonna be too high. You know, I know the faster you pay it out, the less interest. But I got, you know, that's why you get good credit. You know what I'm saying? You know, I got credit videos for y'all to watch. But yeah, that shit was like crazy, like crazy. And them hard inquiries brought my score down like 3 points. It's not a lot, but it takes some people a long ass time to bring that shit up. What if you got a 697 and you need a 700 to get your APR down by 1 point? That's a big difference. You can't really look at stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? That is a big difference. You cannot look at things like that. Oh, only 3 points. Those 3 points will take months or even a year or so to bring up. Who knows? All depends on your credit history and your record. But yeah, I got approved for the car. I wasn't expecting to get the Scat Pack today. I was just going in and look. We talked some numbers. They did the power dollars and the rebates. They took about $5,000 off. Then I got the military discount, like $2,000 off. So it was about $7,000 they took off. But still, it's just the fact they hit my credit hard. They raped the shit out of my credit. They tag teamed my credit. Since most of y'all that watch my video are dogs, they tag team my fucking credit, man. But yes, when y'all go there, make sure you get pre-approved by your bank. Do not let the dealership run. They be like, no, we gonna run it. No, I already got pre-approved for the car. This is how much they said they approved me for. You know, and then once you get approved for however much they give you rebates, call your bank again. Okay, this is the real deal. They took some money off Capital One, Navy Federal, USAA, Chase, whoever your bank is. This how much I need to get approved for, and boom. Do not let the dealership run your credit. I learned my lesson. Do not let them run your credit. Do not let them run your credit. I'm gonna say it again. Do not let them run your credit. Okay? They will ruin your credit reports. I got like 6, 7, 8 hard inquiries on my shit now, man. And I'm angry and I'm heated up because that shit gonna stay on there for 2 years. I recently had a hard inquiry that just left and more got put on when I got his big Thursday ass. Shit. But make sure y'all subscribe, man. Tell me if I'm right. If I'm wrong, please correct me. Make sure y'all subscribe though, man. I need this video to get 10,000 views. Cause I know a lot of y'all need this shit. And I know a lot of y'all want y'all asses into the dealership and let the dealership run y'all credit. I know y'all did. I know y'all did. Yeah, you got your car. Yeah, I'm in debt cause I owe the fucking bank. It's like most of everybody out here got a damn car loan. If they was rich, they wouldn't be in the fucking apartment. But anyway, back to the point. You know what I'm saying? If y'all got any questions, comments, or concerns, or any recommendations of videos I should do, I don't really want to do no burnouts or nothing like that. It's the winter, and tire's expensive, and I'm not monetized. So when y'all stop being shy, y'all subscribe and talk to me in the damn comments. Maybe I'll do some burnouts and some old videos. Till then, I'm just going to be low-key, and I'm being cheap. Make sure y'all subscribe, leave a comment. Your boy Hellraiser _6.4 is out, and I'll see you guys later.